How to delete your Riot account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, People Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Riot account. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you wanna open up your browser on your device, and then at the search bar you wanna type in riotgames.com. So you wanna head into Riot Games first and sign into your account there. Now here I'll just head into riot.games.com, as you can see. Now once here, you want to go ahead and you want to sign in. So you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the right hand side of the screen, then tap on sign in, and you want to sign in real quick. Once you have signed in, you shall get an interface somewhat like this. I've already signed in here. You want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you should get the option that says player support. So you can see here player support, you want to tap on it. So once you tap on player support, this will load up, and here now you can see under account management, you'll see various options. There you can see account deletion. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on account deletion, it will take you to this page here. Now I'm having some error here, but you can see if you scroll down below, deleting your Riot account and all your game data. As such, here on this page, once you scroll down below, you can see it'll ask you to submit a request. So you'll have to select account management, data request, or deletion. So you want to tap on submit a ticket there on the screen, as you can see, and once you head onto it, you want to scroll down here and you can see the details. You want to choose a request type here. So here you want to select account management, data request, or deletion here, and once you select it, it will load up. And here now, what platform are you requesting assistance with? So you want to select it, whether Xbox, PC, or PlayStation. Then subject, you want to type in delete my account, and here please select your inquiry. Here you can see account deletion, and then you can go ahead and click on this check mark here, add in a little description and attachment on why you want to delete your account, and then submit it. So this is the way that you can go ahead and delete your Riot account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.